So after in the last discussion, we have seen how to print hello world on your local host. Now let's extend it further. And now what we are going to do is we have created just one function which is hello world, and that function was returning hello world and printing it on the local host. What we are doing now, we are defining multiple functions in Python Flask, and using these multiple functions we will try to do various operations, right? So this, as I said, that if you are just writing a slash, so this is the definition of the home page, like the landing page. Whenever you are going to call your local host, automatically by default the system is going to come to here, and whatever be the operation specified in this function, they will be executed. But there may be there may be multiple instances where we are going to have multiple pages on our website. So if you want to define multiple pages on the website, then they will be driven with by different tags or by different names of these pages, right? So let's say let's assume we want to introduce about what we are doing, right? So this is hello world, and now we are just adding a new page which is called as about. And in this about function, what we are doing, we are just defining a new function. The function name may be anything. Let's say just adding about also, again the same name, but it may be anything else as well. So we are just naming it something, and after naming it, what we are returning, so we are returning an introduction of what we are doing here. So we are just writing, this is a program which has been created to explain how to run Python Flask app, or whatever you want to put it here. That's just a text that you have written here to explain what is going to happen, right? So this is what we are returning, and after doing that, what is going to happen is whenever you are going to go on localhost, and after going to go on localhost, let me comment it first and then demonstrate it what exactly it is going to do. So after going to localhost, it is going to run itself, and after running it, it is going to show this message. So let's see how it works. As the we are just going to run the Python Flask function, and here it is already running, so we are stopping it and rerunning it. So once you stop and rerun it, you can see the localhost has opened up where you are posting whatever you want to print. So this is your home page where you can see hello world, which we have intended to print. And now after it, what we are doing, we are kind of trying to define about page. So how it will happen? So you have to come to this URL and then print, write about here. So about is going to route it to the page and the new message that you are printing here. So as soon as you are entering about, you can see this is a program which has been created to explain how to run Python Flask app. So this is a demonstration on how to add multiple functions in Python Flask.